Hello guys and welcome to another Fusion CNC programming tutorial video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I do CNC programming tutorial videos for Homag and Wiki CNC machines using Autodesk Fusion. Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you what to do before you post process a program for your Homag or Wiki CNC machine. Okay. Um, I've been I've been getting a lot of emails and DMs on social media. How do I import the post processor into Fusion? Mine doesn't work. Where should I save it? Should I create a folder? All this stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what to do here in this video. Um, I always wanted to make this video, but I've been very busy CNC programming at work and here at home. So let's start by going to. I'm gonna go um, to the website where you can get the post processor from Autodesk. Okay, so you gotta type cam.autodesk / post. All right, and then you're gonna just click on this on that right there, and I'm gonna scroll um down to Homag. Okay, I'm gonna download the post processor. Okay, so you see you can download the latest version, which is 44142. Okay, you can also download the previous versions if you want. See, I just clicked on previous versions and see the latest one is this right here. Okay. So I can download that. All right. And then I'm gonna go to Fusion and import this version of the post processor into Fusion 360. Excuse me, into Fusion. All right. And then you're gonna have to. I'm gonna show you what changes you have to make to make the post process work, because sometimes especially for you, for those who are new to Fusion, and I don't know what to do, right? How to what changes to make to the post processor. So let's go ahead and download this version. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the folder, um downloads. You see I have it right here. All right, so let's go to Fusion, and I'm gonna go to manufacturer workspace. I'm gonna go to post library, and you see I have you gotta go to cloud, right? You can save it locally if you want. I just have mine saved in the cloud because I can access the post processor anywhere I go. You know, just using different computers. Okay. See how different I have the ancient version, which is not updated yet, because you see the yellow icon here with the yellow icon right next to Homag. That means it's not updated. So, but it's, see, the other ones are updated. All right. Um, so I'm gonna go to um my posts. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go to okay, I don't see that. Let's go back to post library. I haven't done this in a while, so yeah, okay, cancel. Okay, so I have to import. Okay, it was kind of like grayed out, so I thought I was gonna be able to click on it. All right, so sorry about that. So I'm gonna go to import. I'm gonna go downloads. You can put this post processor in a folder if you want. Okay. I already have this version, so that's why I have like the one next to it. So it's just another copy. So I'm gonna select that. So open. Okay, and that's the one right here. Okay, see it? She has the one next to it, next to the number two. All right, so I have it in the cloud now. So I'm gonna close it. And I'm gonna try to post process a just a simple program so that you can see what errors you're gonna come up with in Woodwap trying to open the program in Woodwap. Let me go to the home icon. All right. By the way, I have a pay version of Fusion. Um, if you have the free version, I don't know if you're gonna have the home icon. I'm not really sure. So let me open up this program. Okay. So let me right click, post process, and I'm gonna go to okay, I have the post process for other machines. So let me click on this folder and let me select that post processor that I just downloaded. All right, which is this one right here. So I'm gonna select this one. All right. So I'm gonna have to change the output folder. Um, go to my hard drive. Let me select this folder and tutorials folder. Okay. I'm not gonna name the program. I'm not gonna change the name of the program. I'll just leave it like that. So let's click on post. Okay, so you see the NC code successfully posted. All right, so let's go to Woodwap. I got Woodwap 5.0 uh, at home. So let me go to File, Open, uh, select our folder, Tutorials. Let's see. Oops. Okay, I don't see that here. So let me um, let me go back to Fusion and right click and post process this program again. Um, I think I have to select I have to go to the C drive. Um, ww4 folder 81 mp4. Okay, I got Fusion 360 to Woodbot CNC programs, tutorials, select folder, post. Yes, I want to overwrite it. Okay, let's go to Woodwap 5.0 file, open, select that folder and this folder and this program. See the preview of the program. Okay, try to open it up. And you're gonna have this error message saying file has invalid format. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to fix that. I know I made like a couple of videos in the past, about a year ago, and that was the second video. And the first video was like 2 years ago. So this video is for you guys who are new to the channel and want to use Fusion for the first time to program your Homag and Wiki CNC machine. Okay, I know you guys don't want to like go back like a year or 2 years ago, like and search for this tutorial. Okay, so I just wanted to make a fresh video for you guys. Um so let me click OK. I'm gonna go back to Fusion. I'm gonna go to post library. I'm gonna select that post processor. Okay, right click, select edit, and I'm gonna go down to lines. Let's click on Woodwap post processor. I think lines 541, 542. Sometimes they change um, the number of the lines you have to modify. Let me scroll down to okay, yeah. So five, but before that, I'm gonna open up the NC um code. But these are the lines you have to change. Okay. Let me post process this program so you can see what you get when you open the NC code. All right. So right click, post process. When you post it, yes. I'm gonna select, click on that. The blue couldn't see well. All right. So you see where it says C line number one. That's supposed to be supposed to say H next to it. So you're not supposed to have this slash and the program number or name. Okay. If I delete this, if I save it, I'm gonna be able to open this program in Wootbot 5.0. So I'm gonna select delete, file, save. Let's go to Wootbot 5.0, file, open. There's that program. Okay, never mind. So something changed with this version. I just wanted to show you. Oh, I think you have to delete. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Just hit delete twice, and then the H is gonna be next to number one. Let me file, save it again. Let's go to Wootwell 5.0, file, open. It's a program. See if it works now. There it is. Okay. All right. So let's go back to the post processor. All right. That's the program. Let's go to the Wootwell post processor here. So you're gonna have to type um, two forward slashes. Okay. Remember, line is 541 and 544. Okay. Okay. Oops. Let's type in LL. Okay. So I'm gonna save um I'm gonna save the changes. Okay. Let's go back to Fusion and let's post process this program again. So right click, post process. Let me change the name of the program or the number. So it's gonna be 1005 this time, and I'm gonna post it. And let's go to Wootwell 5.0, file, open. It's the program, and there it is. That's all you have to do, guys, to make the Wootwell post processor work. Okay, very simple. I just saw in this video. I just show you how to import the post processor into Fusion, and I also show you what changes to make to the post processor to make it work in Fusion. Okay. Um. All right, guys. That's it for this video. That's all I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. God bless you all. Peace.